You want to make some really good wine for like $3 for this much. Stick around. I'm going to show you how to do it.
To make it, you just need 3 things. Here's what they are. Sugar. Juice. It has to say 100% juice. I'm going to be making grape, apple, and cranberry apple. And these are 64-ounce jugs. So, and that's important with your measurements. And then the last thing you're going to need is this. Nothing fancy. First thing you do is out of each of these jugs, 64-ounce jugs, I'm going to pour out 2 cups of juice. So you take 2 cups of juice out of every jug. You're going to put a cup and a half of sugar into the juice. And the final thing is about a half a teaspoon of this. That's all it takes, just a half a teaspoon. Shake it up for a couple minutes, make sure it's real good. When you're done, I'm going to go ahead and twist this cap off. When you're done, just barely put the cap on. Don't put it on too tight, because if you do, the thing's going to explode when you put it in your dark closet or dark room when you get done making it. So barely put that on so the air can escape and bugs won't get in. So just kind of down where it's loose. That's it. Then you put it in the dark closet, cover it up where it's kind of warm. It needs to be warm, and let it sit for about 3 weeks. When it quits bubbling, then it's done. It takes like 3 weeks. Sometimes people wait a couple months, but you're going to have a lot of really strong wine, and you're going to like it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is measure out a cup and a half of sugar, and I'm going to put it in this cup so it's flimsy and easy to pour into the juice. Make sure everything is extremely sterile. You don't want any bacteria getting in this and ruining it. No bacteria. Sterile hands, sterile equipment. So we're going to do that first, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a cup and a half of sugar measured out and ready to go into the juice. Next, we're going to make grape first. So we're going to measure out 2 cups of juice. Okay, so there's 2 cups of juice you can just set aside, let the kids drink it, whatever. So this is how full it looks. Next, you pour the sugar from here in the sanitized cup into here. And I probably should use a phone for this, but I don't have one. That was a cup and a half of sugar put into this. Next thing you do, half a teaspoon of this. Again, make sure everything's sterile. Half teaspoon. There you go. That's yeast, active dry yeast. Put that in. Put your lid on. Shake it. You'll have to shake this for probably a minute or 2. Let it all get good and mixed. Okay, it's all shook up. So the only thing we do now is take the lid, twist it where it's loose but not completely off. See that? And then I'm going to put it in my closet. My closet's warm. If you have like a warm closet, that would be really good. But just put it in a warm closet, wait 3 weeks, and you're going to see this bubbling up. That's why the lid's kind of loose, so the air can get out. It will foam up like crazy, especially over the next day or 2. But then in about 3 weeks, I'm going to check on it, and if there's no bubbling, it needs to look completely flat. You can take a flashlight and look through it, make sure there's no bubbles coming up, because if there is, it's still fermenting, and you might want to wait another week or 2. But this one's ready to go. I'm going to put it in a dark place. If you don't have a dark place, you can put it in the corner of a room where kids can't get into it. Put a blanket over it so it's dark, but it needs to be in a dark, warm place for at least 3 weeks. Then you're going to have some wine. When it's after 3 weeks, put it in the fridge, tighten the lid back up, put it in the fridge, and you're good to go. You're welcome. Now it's time for apple. 1. Spilling it. 2. Now the sugar. That was a cup and a half. Half teaspoon of yeast. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, the apple's already done, and I'm going to just loosen the lid. See if I can hear a little bubbling. See it moving. Okay, it's ready.